Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today we are going to be going to our Facebook app and we are going to be continuing from what we stopped on our Facebook stories. So I'm going to be showing you guys today how to reply to a Facebook story, and it's pretty easy and fast on this video tutorial. So let's go ahead and open our Facebook app. So let's start off from visiting our previous app. Okay, this is only showing because I have some likes and some reaction to my post. So go ahead and click on the view area and you can see some messages I received from my previous post on the story. So we can go ahead and reply to that particular message, and you can see the person's message, and I can say just pose a smiley emoji, and then say something. So let's back out, and then this is not actually the message I'm telling you guys about. What I meant by replying to a Facebook story is replying to other people's stories. So let me go back and reply to my friend's story right here. So go ahead and click on Nina Bobby, and then once it loads, you can notice just below the area where it says reply, just go ahead and click on the reply, and that is where you get to reply to that particular story and say so once you send this person is going to receive it as a message. So I've actually replied to this message, and this is how to reply to a story, and the person is going to get it as a message, as actually under the story line, and here she also gets to get it under her story area. So she gets to reply to it, whatever reply she gives, and we can continue our conversation from there. You can notice on this top area it says on this top area that shows the person's Facebook messenger on top of it. So that's how the person gets this message on her Facebook messenger. So the person gets to reply to it, but it actually from here that we're able to reply to the message. So that is just how to reply to a person's Facebook story. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave your like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and see you guys in my next video.